Classics, and today I'm in a very nice Triumph TR6. I'm with the owner. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Gary.
So how long have you owned the car for, Gary?
I bought the car in January, February, March 2012. So 8 years I've had the car now.
And why are you selling the car?
Personal reasons. The car has been something myself and my wife bought. Unfortunately, I lost my wife a year and a half ago, and although I don't want to get rid of the car, it's got some personal, sentimental value to it, and it's just not the same driving it on my own now. But it's been great fun. Really enjoyed owning the car. It's particularly around this area, around the Malvern Hills. We've had many years of great fun driving around the hills.
Why did you get the car, and what attracted you to it?
I think it was all about my midlife crisis. I almost held a big motorbike, came off my motorbike, and my wife said, "It's either me or the bike," which I agreed to, and said, "Well, if I can't have a bike, I'd like a classic car." So that's how I ended up with the Triumph.
And how do you use the car?
The car's not been used for some time now. I was checking the history earlier on with Matt, and I've put less than 4,000 miles on the car in 8 years, so it's not been used an awful lot. I've spent most of my time probably cleaning the car more than driving it. We've had some great fun in the car in the few years we've owned it.
And do you take it to any shows or nothing?
I haven't, to be honest. No. It's something we kept missing out on. However, prevented us from doing it on a couple of occasions, and unfortunately, the TR or Triumph show has moved from Malvern now to somewhere up north, I believe. But it was very local to us.
And how do you look after the car? Do you take it with yourself, or do you take it to garages?
Over the 8 years I've owned it, I've done some work myself. I've had the head off the car and had it converted to unleaded. I've also had the car on 2 or 3 occasions professionally serviced. But odd jobs, like fitting the dashboard and refurbishing dials and bits and pieces like that, I've done myself.
And what work have you done to the car during that time?
As I said, the unleaded conversion has been carried out. I've fitted the new walnut dashboard and refurbished all the gauges. I did at one time fit some aluminium wheels to it, but decided to go back to the original, so I had those refurbished. Chrome work, all the bumpers have been re-chromed since I've owned the car. And that's probably pretty much it. I've just kept the car in as best a condition as I've been able to.
In terms of history, what does it come with?
The car comes with the Heritage certificate. It also comes with the factory hard top, which is all on the certificate, with the original keys, and I think the wheels are the original wheels. There's a significantly detailed history file going right back to the early 80s when the car was rebuilt by Revington TR. That's been verified by them personally as well, and again, within the file itself there are numerous handwritten receipts documenting the car's journey from it to arriving at Revington TR.
And is there anything needs doing to the car?
Not to my knowledge. Maybe Matt has picked up something during his very detailed assessment, but to my knowledge, no. The car at the moment, I have to say, it sounds as if it's missing on one cylinder, but I think that's probably just the spark plugs where the car hasn't been driven for some time, and when I have started the car, I tend to start it on the choke, so I would suspect that maybe one of the plugs is oiled up.
That's what brings us to the end of this driving video. I've had an absolutely fantastic time in this car. Absolutely in love with it. I think it's a lovely looking car. It's a lovely condition. It really is. Be great to see it go to a good home as well. On that as well, won't it? On that, it's been fantastic. So thank you, Gary. I really enjoyed that. It's been wonderful. Thank you.